What's going on, people? It's your boy, the chosen one with the golden tongue. Oh, Sinashti, Mr. Never Ashamed. So honestly, thank yourself. I hope everybody's having a great day today. I'm having an alright day. I'm at work right now, and I just thought I'd come to you with a quick message. And guess what? If you like the message, hit the like button. And if you really like the message and the character, Mr. Never Ashamed, so honestly, thank yourself, hit the subscribe button. I don't bite, and I'm a nice guy with a bunch, over 660 videos of high-level consciousness conversations. Chosen ones, God told me to send you this message. And that message simply is, on your way to success, on your journey to success, remember, you will feel these things. You're gonna feel failure. You're gonna feel shame. You're gonna feel regret. You're gonna feel emptiness. You're gonna feel sadness. You're gonna feel all the above. All the negative feelings that you have to feel on your way to success, on your journey to success. Due to the simple fact that it's all a test from God to see how bad do you really want the things you say you want. You will face all types of adversities. You will face all types of demons, all types of enemies and frenemies, on your way to success, due to the simple fact that they don't want you to reach your success. They want the fear to hold you back. They want the guilt, the shame, the rejection to hold you back from what you truly desire inside of your heart. I'm here to tell you, chosen ones, on your way to success, you must expect those feelings. You must expect those things to attack you, because it's inevitable. It's not a smooth journey. You think it's just going to be a smooth sailing on you all the way to your riches and your success? No. You get what I'm saying? It takes a whole lot of fortitude, mental stability, emotional stability. You can't be an emotional madman or an emotional mad woman out here with success. You get what I'm saying? Success doesn't make you a better person. Success makes you more of the person that you are right now, right? It makes you more of the person you are right now. So if you are a person that is just feeling the anxieties and the stress and the shame and the regrets of gaining success, that's all you will feel. But if you are a person that could fight those feelings, fight the urge, fight those demons, when the time is right, you will win the battle every time, And you'll keep climbing that ladder to success because they can't hold you back. They see they threw everything at you besides the kitchen sink. And you cannot falter in your dreams. You work so hard and diligently to get to the level that you're at right now. There's no way you could stop. There's no way you could quit, I know it's hard for you right now. If you're watching to the point of this video, I know you're struggling trying to accomplish your goals right now. I'm struggling trying to accomplish my goals, but I keep faith that God got me. I keep faith that I got me, and I keep faith that things are going to change. Nothing in life stays the same forever. We're always in a perpetual state of flux. You get what I'm saying? Things are always moving. We are energetic beings. Energy in motion. You get what I'm saying? We can't stay for one place for too long. Chosen ones, you will feel the regrets. You will feel the shame, and you will feel the rejections. 10s and 20s and 30s and 40s and hundreds of times before you could finally get to the success that you really desire, Because what is a desire without having the pain? Let me say that one more time. What is the desire without having the pain in order to get there? Because if you had a desire and it just easily fell into your lap, You wouldn't appreciate the desire for what it was. You wouldn't appreciate the desire for what it can give you in the future, for future generations. You won't appreciate it because it came so easily. But when you have to work day in, day out, the blood, sweat, and tears, you know? And you know the demons that you had to slay, huh? To get to where you at, trust me, nothing, and I mean nothing, nobody, anything could get you off of your path. Nothing. Because you've been there, done that. Feel me? Chosen ones, you will have a lonely path. You see, the path I'm walking on is narrow. Because when you're on a journey, lone wolf journey to success, the path gets smaller as you go. And you'll notice how people start to fall off by the wayside. You'll start to notice it. You know, people can't hang around you for too long once they see that you have a vision. Huh? Ask one of your friends about if they have a vision. They probably tell, what, 2020? I got 2020 vision. Or I need some new glasses. They don't know what even having a vision is. And what do they say in the Bible? Where there is no vision, people will perish. Huh? And it's very true, chosen ones. Very true. And you were blessed. You are one of God's elect to have a vision and to have a purpose. Even if you don't know what your purpose is right now, it will come to you sooner than later, chosen ones. You're on the right path, especially if you're watching this video. You are on the right path. Feel me? It just takes time, and you have to be patient, you know? You have to be patient, you know? Remember, it's all just a test, chosen one. It's all just a test on your resilience, your testicular fortitude for the fellas out there, huh? Women, for your emotional stability. You know what I'm saying? It's all a test to see how can you handle it when you're being attacked. Because, chosen ones, what do you think is going to happen when you reach the pinnacle of your success? You think that all the stress and everything is just going to stop? What they say is more money, more problems, more popularity. You're going to have more issues, more stress, and more all of that stuff. You get what I'm saying? So you have to just be prepared. You have to prepare yourself before you get there. And that's what all the stress and all the rejection, all the, man, all the terroristic nights that we have to go through. You know what I'm saying? I've been there myself, and I'm still here trying to crawl my way out. But the crabs in the bucket keep trying to pull me back. Sometimes they get me fully back in, and I gotta do, you know, the 180 and get myself back out. But just know, like I said, nothing stays the same forever. And if God gave you the vision to accomplish something and gave you the energy to do it, it's damn near blasphemous if you don't do it, chosen ones. For real. Damn near blasphemy. Chosen ones, hit me in the comment section. Let me know what some of your visions are. Let me know. See, you can't just tell everybody your vision out here. You can't just tell anybody what you plan on doing in the future. I learned that the hard way. You can't tell almost anybody, because once you tell people what you see in your dream, oh, they're going to try to shoot your dream down so fast. And I'm dead serious. They're going to try to make your dream feel like it's not capable of achieving, you know? They're going to try to put all type of negative reinforcements inside of your head, inside of your heart, to make you doubt your own powers, to make you doubt your own abilities. But you just have to know inside that, hey, rejection is coming. You know, stress is coming. Sadness is coming. You know what I mean? Loneliness is coming, you know? All that. But that still leads to bravery is coming. You get what I'm saying? Being able to stand by yourself in a world where everybody's codependent is coming. Success is coming. Feel me? Everything your dreams could see are coming, is coming, chosen ones, you know? Just smile and be happy through the pain. Smile through the pain, you know? Me, when I see pain coming, because I'm on my success journey, I just say, hey, give me double shot of pain on the rocks. I don't care. And I laugh, you know? Because I'm used to it, chosen ones. Sometimes back to back things happen to me. Back to back things happen to me. And I'm like, yo, what is going on right now? Why am I being attacked like this? And then I simply remember, oh yeah, you know, I'm trying to, not trying, because trying is a form of not doing. So don't even use that word. But I'm building a platform, a community where people could, you know, come here and they could have, you know, a little bit of insight on the things that they're going through. And I know that once you better yourself and then you put your voice out there to try to inspire people to do better in their lives also, oh my God, that's when the devil comes and attacks double time, triple time. You know, he's working overtime to just make you feel like crap. And I ain't gonna lie, he been winning sometimes, man, making me feel like monkey crap, even though I know I'm doing what I gotta do out here, you know. But I guess we're going on 10 minutes. These videos go so fast. I love talking to you guys. I wish you guys would talk to me back. Hit me in the comment section, you know, let me know your vision if you got one. You know, let me know if you're doing good. And if you don't have a comment, just hit me up. Just hit me with a what's up, my boy. You know what I'm saying? Let me know you're in the building. Along with the tens of subscribers in the building. Subscribe to the channel because we're just trying to get the word out there. Hit the like button so we could, you know what I'm saying, get up on that algorithm. We deserve it. You know? Let your voice be heard. All right, here comes the outro. I hope somebody's still listening. It's your boy, the chosen one with the golden tongue. Sinashti, Mr. Never Ashamed. So honestly, thank yourself. One love.